Hello everyone, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about monthly stock market update, and we will figure out is it bullish trend, what's going on with the stock market trend on the large time frames like quarterly, monthly, weekly. Let's move to trading view, and we will start my technical analysis. Let's start from stock heat map, quarterly time frame. It looks large corporations still green, others still red, right? Let's move to monthly performance. Yeah, it's a monthly performance. Monthly, oh yeah, same. Large corporations green, small companies red. Weekly, similar story. Microsoft, Nvidia, Lara, they're green. Less small companies red. Okay, let's move to charts. If you want to learn more about trading view setup, just go to the description. There is the link about trading view setup trading and other links about all my trainings. And now let me briefly mention about my setup. I am using moving averages. White line it's SMA 200, yellow line it's EMA 20, red line SMA 10, green line SMA 5. MACD indicator, green line bullish, red line bearish, white line signal line, Heikanaichi bars green, green bars bullish, red bars bearish, yellow line RSI line. That's all, very simple, but it's not easy because of the emotions involved. And if you want to be successful, you have to trust your indicators. Indicators do not have emotions, only traders have emotions, and all emotions they causes the issue. Okay, and my style is just follow the market trend. Don't fight with the market because market is dynamic and you have to change direction based on the market trend, on the market trend confirmation. I like when all indicators align in the same trend direction. Like now, we see, look at that monthly time frame, Qs, right? Buy signal, MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20, bullish signal on the bullish crossover on the MACD, on the Heikanaichi, and RSI. All indicators bullish. It means Qs on monthly time frame is fully bullish. That's what we observed. Just in this month, we see MA5 did bullish crossover over 20. Now bars about 20, it is positive, it is bullish. MA5 also about 20, we need to bring MA10 about 20 and it will be fully bullish. It's a positive bullish trend on monthly time frame for Qs. Positive on all indicators. Let's check quarterly what's going on. Quarter is not over, right? The first quarter was very powerful. It bounced from the MA20. And second quarter, we are in the middle of the second quarter. It touched MA10. Will it be rejected from MA10 or it will continue to go up? We'll see. So far, it's not so powerful like January, right? Like first quarter. MACD still red, still bearish. Heikanaichi still red, still bearish. RSI in the bearish territory. Actually, no. RSI not in bearish territory, but RSI below Heikanaichi, it is negative. Still negative trend. Negative trend on all indicators, even bars about 20. Position is positive, but trend is bearish. And sell signal on the script. On quarterly time frame, let's check weekly what's going on. Weekly Qs bullish. Weekly and monthly Qs fully bullish. You see weekly bullish, all moving averages about 220, very bullish on the and it's about major trend line. My major trend line started 14 months ago. MACD green, Heikanaichi green, RSI and overbought territory. RSI and overbought territory on the weekly time frame. That's what we have. Qs bullish, weekly, monthly, quarterly, still bearish. Let's move to SPX, S&P 500. Let's start weekly. We're at the same level for the several weeks, same price action. MACD bullish, moving averages bullish, buy signal on the script, all moving averages about 200, bullish positive trend on weekly time frame. You see it bounce from 200. It is bullish, MACD green bullish, Heikanaichi bullish, RSI bullish. Some bearish divergences on Heikanaichi, on the MACD histogram, and on the MACD on RSI also bearish divergences, multiple bearish divergences. Trend is bullish on weekly time frame for SPX for S&P 500. Let's check monthly. Monthly MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. Bars above 20, similar like Qs. Exactly like Qs. It's still sell signal on the script, from the script, but it is in a bullish territory already. Bullish signal from moving averages. MACD still red, still bearish. Heikanaichi already green. Not powerful, but already green. RSI did bullish crossover. S&P 500 positive bullish on monthly time frame also. Quarterly S&P, you see the fourth quarter and first quarter was 2 quarters in a row were positive. This quarter it's not ended, it's still, we're in the middle of the quarter. It's still positive, still bullish, but not so powerful. MACD is still bearish, still sell signal from the script, still Heikanaichi red, RSI below Heikanaichi, still bearish trend, still bearish trend quarterly, exactly the same like Qs, right? Let's move to Dow Jones. Dow Jones quarterly. Let's start quarterly Dow Jones. Bearish trend, sell signal by the script. MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Bearish trend, even bars. Last bar above all moving averages, about 10. More positive than S&P and Qs. But MACD is still red, still bearish. Heikanaichi is still red, still bearish, and RSI below Heikanaichi bearish. And sell script by the script. Sell signal by the script, sorry. Okay, let's move to monthly. Monthly, different story. Monthly, it's a bullish. Buy signal by the script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, 20. All bars about 20. It is bullish. It's a bullish. This is major trend line. It's a bullish above major trend line monthly. MACD. Let me turn off the slides. Yeah. MACD green bullish. Heikanaichi green bullish. Not powerful but bullish. RSI did bullish crossover. A monthly time frame, Dow Jones bullish also. Also bullish. Let's see weekly. Weekly it is bullish, powerful like other indexes. Bullish on all indicators. Buy signal by the script. Buy signal by the script. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10 and 20. All bars above all moving averages. It is positive trend. MACD green bullish. Heikanaichi bullish. Bullish trend on weekly time frame for Dow Jones. Let's move to IWM. IWM, the weakest index. The weakest index. Let's start weekly. Sorry. Let's start weekly. What we have weekly? last bar below all moving averages, bearish trend. MA5, 10 and 20 below 200, bearish. MACD below 200, below signal line and below zero line, bearish. RSI below zero line, bearish. Heikanaichi red, bearish. All indicators bearish. Sell signal by the script, sell signal, and all indicators bearish on weekly time frame. And remember, IWM, it's a 2,000 companies. It's a 2,000 companies. It represents USA economy. Mid-size, not large companies, but still USA companies. Okay, let's check monthly. Monthly was buy signal, was sell signal, buy signal monthly. MA5 still above 10, but still below 20. It is negative territory. And last bar, still last two bars below MA5, 10 and 20. It is bearish. MACD bearish, Heikanaichi bearish, RSI, all indicators bearish. Even signal buy, but position and all indicators bearish. It's aligned in the bearish, like 4 indicators bearish, 1 indicator is bullish. For me, it's a bearish. Let's check quarterly. Quarterly, same scenario. Sell signal, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10 and 20 already. Bearish signal. Last bar about 20. It is good, but still sell signal. Sell signal on the MACD, sell signal on Heikanaichi and RSI. All indicators bearish. Only one positive thing here that you see, for last 5 months, 5 bars, they're dancing around MA20. MA20 is the strong support line for IWM. It can bounce from it, but looks like MA5 ready for bearish crossover. It means if it makes bearish crossover over 20, it will be negative, like it was here. Look at it. I'll show you. MA5 did bearish crossover. It was 2007, right? 2008. What we observed. That's what we observed. Let me show you. Let me show you like this one. Let me make a circle. Let me do circle. You see it? Oh, I'm sorry. There is a circle already. You see circle already, sell signal, that's what was 2007. Same was, but this one it did bearish crossover over 10. I'm talking about bearish crossover over 20. Over 20 was in 2008, over here. Let me show it over here, bearish crossover. It is, after that it was recession, it was crisis, it was very negative time. Now we are approaching the same trend. This trend was 14 years ago. 14 years ago, we didn't see this trend anymore. In 2020, MA5 didn't make bearish crossover over 20. MA5 didn't make bearish crossover over 20 in 2020. It's the first time after 14 years when MA5 already did bearish crossover. It is getting in the bearish trend. It's getting in the bearish crossover. Let's see what it brings. I believe this year it is bearish year, and it will be negative, will be market crash, we can call it market crash, market correction, whatever. It's a correction, right? Because if you check the long time, let's see, yearly, right? It is always bullish, right? Each correction, it's just correction. It's not crash, just correction. But for some people, it's a crash. Okay, bearish trend on quarterly. No question. Especially MA5 already did bearish crossover. We need huge bounce from it to bring MA5 back about 20. Otherwise, it will continue to go bearish. Let's move to Apple. Apple quarterly. Apple quarterly, MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. It's a negative. MACD was ready for bearish crossover. Didn't happen. Heikanachi still red. MA5 did bearish crossover. The bars still above moving averages. And last bar far from 20. It's close to top. It's still far from 20, and we know the rule. It always wants to connect to 20. It is dangerous place because it will have correction. It's a quarterly time frame. It can happen anytime, but it's ready for bearish crossover. It's ready. MA5 did already bearish crossover. MACD ready. It's ready. It is. Position is bullish, but it's ready for bearish reversal signal. It's ready for bearish reversal. Be careful with Apple. Monthly time frame for Apple. Buy signal. MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. All moving averages above. All bars above for 3 months in a row. All bars above MA20, 10, and 5. Bullish. MACD green bullish. Heikanachi green bullish. Bullish trend on all indicators on monthly time frame. Similar on weekly time frame. Bullish trend. Look at it. Bullish trend since beginning of the year 2023. For last 4 months, it is bullish. Straight bullish trend on RSI in overbought territory. Look at it. RSI in overbought territory. RSI around like 34 level. Overbought territory. Bullish trend on all indicators and on all time frames. Right? Weekly, monthly, except quarterly. Quarterly, it is kind of ready for bearish reversal. Let's move to Tesla. That's why Q is so strong in S&P all because Apple has 25% of the Qs, and Apple still very strong. Not just Apple, just few stocks. Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, and blah blah blah. Just few of them. You can use your fingers to count. Tesla. Let's start Tesla. Weekly time frame. Bearish. Sell signal. MACD ready for bearish crossover. Heikanachi red bearish. All bars below all moving averages. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200. Bearish. MA20 ready to do bearish crossover. Tesla is bearish on weekly time frame. Not good. Monthly time frame. Tesla is bearish also. Bars below all moving averages. Bearish. MACD red bearish. Heikanachi bearish. RSI bearish. Quarterly Tesla. Bearish also. Sell signal. Yeah, the last bar stopped. Yeah, the last bar kind of dancing around. Last 3 bars dancing around 20. But the signal is bearish. Bearish trend on all indicators and quarterly time frame for Tesla. Tesla negative on all time frames. Alibaba Group. Quarterly, bearish trend, not enough data, but it's a bearish. Monthly. Monthly, it's bullish. MA5 did bullish crossover. Buy signal by the script, right? MACD green bullish. Heikanachi bullish. It is bullish. The last bar is still below moving averages, but trend is bullish, but signal is weak. Signal is getting weak, but trend is bullish on monthly time frame. Quarterly, like I said, quarterly it's not enough data, but it's a bearish, whatever we see. Weekly, let's see weekly. Weekly it is bearish. But that's why it's changing direction on the monthly. Monthly it was bullish, but now it's changing direction because last 4 weeks is like 1 month. It is in a bearish trend. It's a bearish trend. Sell signal by signal, sell signal. MA5 did bearish crossover over 20. MACD red, Fibonacci, all indicators bearish. It's a bearish trend. And remember, all moving averages below 200 and bars below 20, it is bearish trend direction. Very simple. And trading is not complicated. It is simple. It is very simple. It's not easy because of the emotions, like I told you. But it is very simple. It's a two direction, up and down, two actions, buy or sell, and two results, profit or positive or negative. That's all. Okay, let's move to dollar. USA dollar is very important, right? USA dollar on the same level like it was several weeks ago on weekly time frame. It is negative on all indicators. It has bullish divergence on MACD histogram. On RSI it has bullish divergence. Let me show you. You see? Bullish divergences on all indicators. Multiple bullish divergences on USA dollar on weekly time frame. But trend still bearish. Trend still bearish, but divergences, it means it wants to do bullish correction. Monthly time frame, it is fully bearish. Fully bearish, no changes. You see, it was very disconnected from 20. What it did, it connected back to 20, as usually. Quarterly time frame, US dollar is bearish. US dollar still bullish because MA5 still about 10. You see, it was very disconnected from 20 also. Was very disconnected. And what it's trying to do, it's trying to connects to 20. MA20 about 10, 200, it is bullish. MACD green bullish. Fibonacci red bearish. Mixed mode, but still position is positive. Position is still positive for US dollar. That's all. Let's do summary. Like I mentioned, Qs, S&P, it means Nasdaq, S&P, Dow Jones, very powerful and very bullish. They're only negative quarterly. Quarterly they're negative. Monthly they're bullish. Weekly they're bullish also. Only IWM, the weakest index, it is negative on all time frames, on weekly, monthly, and quarterly. That's what we have. Dollar is also bearish, but dollar has bullish divergences on weekly, on daily, and it wants to go bullish. It means it will be bearish for indexes. That's all. That's all my review. If you want to learn more about it, just go to the description. There is the links about all my trainings. Let me move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. Please read it. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading account. Thank you for watching Simple Trading Style. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes, and cryptos. My style works for any ETFs, for any time frames, for any securities. Please subscribe for YouTube channel, click like button to support the channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck. Bye now.